to Yeshivat Shuvu. My name is Rabbi Yitzchak Shapira, and I am the founder of the yeshiva, the head of the yeshiva. People contacted us and asked us the question, is this yeshiva appropriate for me? I am a Gentile, I'm not Jewish. Is this can work for me? As a matter of fact, the answer is yes. This particular yeshiva that we're launching will have multiple programs. Let me take you through them step by step. The very first program that we will launch in early 2015 will be called Or LaGoyim. When Yeshua said in Mark 12, as an example, you should love the Lord your God with all your mind, with all your strength, with all of your existence. What did he mean by this? We're going to go through the basic principle of a messianic faith through Hebraic eyes. So we're going to have a crash course I would like to call Judaism 101. This particular course will take roughly between 6 months to a year to complete. Secondly, we are also going to launch a course called At the Footsteps of Mashiach. What does it mean to be a messianic believers anyway? How should we observe Torah? What is Torah? And collection of things such as Hebrew, Hebraic thoughts, Hebraic apologetics, all will be part of the program called At the Footsteps of the Mashiach. Thirdly, we will also launch in early 2015 a pre-rabbinical program where students with advanced knowledge of Hebrew and Torah will receive even further knowledge of how to answer anti-missionaries' questions, modern and ancient rabbinic thoughts, study through a complete books of the Bible, verse by verse, with me and other gifted teachers. So there are 3 programs. Let me recap to you. If you are new to the Messianic movement, Or LaGoyim will be a great program for you. At the Footsteps of Messiah will be very much application-driven program to help us to grow and mature to the image of the Messiah. And the pre-rabbinical program will be a theological program. In addition for these programs, we will also launch live teachings that will be available with me in a classroom setting that will be open to all 3 groups together through the Torah portion, the Haftarah, some specific books on the Bible, where we can interact with one each other on top of your coursework. We will also offer a certification program for those who are qualified for this. So in recap, Shuvu Yeshiva will offer something to everybody. If you are interested to find out more about our yeshiva, we encourage you to contact us and write to us, as we would love to partner with you in your spiritual growth experience. Shalom to you and kol tuv. Litraot.